Do you want to know how I made this Christmas dinner for 4 people for $13.99? Well, keep watching.
Right guys, don't walk to Heron Foods, run to Heron Foods. It's Christmas. Right, and there it is guys, there it is, the Christmas dinner deal at Heron Foods. Only $13.99. Let me show you what you get. So you get a honey glazed joint, or you can have the turkey joint. You then get Yorkshire puddings, your pigs in blankets, carrots, sprouts with bacon on, cauliflower cheese, and roast potatoes. Look at this. And also, if you are a vegetarian or you don't like meat, you can also use the corn. But I'm not going to just get one, I'm actually going to get 2. So it's going to cost me around about £28 for 2 deals. So I get both meats. And there you go guys, all that, literally £28 for that. But if you just want one deal, it's only going to cost you $13.99. Right, so let's get it home, cook it up, and see if it's worth it for Christmas.
So back home now guys, and what a fantastic deal that was from Heron Foods. So that was $13.99 for all these items here. It was that good, we got 2 of them. So I'm going to cook one up, I'm going to put one back in the freezer. So I think I'm going to go and cook the turkey joint up. And do you know what I absolutely love? These Brussels sprouts with bacon. So I've got the oven on, I'm going to chuck some in the oven and some in the air fryer, and we're going to see how much it makes. Right, so I've prepped all these now, I've put them into dishes and they're all going to go into the oven along with the turkey. So the turkey is in there for an hour and 15 minutes, and then we're going to take the tin foil off, and then I'm going to put all these in. Now I've got the potatoes in the air fryer because I like them done in the air fryer, and I'm also going to put these in as well with about 20 minutes to go once we've taken that tin foil off. And guys, why not press the follow button for more savvy meal ideas and new foods? And that is ready, so come over here and have a look, see how much it made. So it made 4 massive portions, 2 Yorkies on 2 plates and 1 on the other 2. So let's dig in. So we've got some turkey, we haven't got any gravy, but you can make your own gravy if you like. Cauliflower cheese. Absolutely brilliant. So easy to make as well. Just chucked it in the oven. The roast potatoes are stuck in the air fryer. It's absolutely so Christmassy. And look, these are decent portion sizes. If you want like a nice soup for your starters or a starter of your choice, and then you've got a dessert, this is the ample size of your Christmas dinner. Merry Christmas, guys. Get yourself to Heron Foods.